Hi, my name is Kara Browning, and I'm here to talk with you about public health. So, what is public health? I mean, to me, public health is about trying to keep people in our community healthy. It's about identifying those risk factors that can make people sick or can possibly injure them and trying to keep that from happening. So, public health is often overlooked. It includes a lot of things that you probably don't even think about. For example, having appropriate sanitation and sanitary conditions, having access to a clean water supply, having laws and policies in place that keep you safe at work, having laws and policies in place that make it to where the air that you're breathing is clean, and having a seatbelt in every single automobile. The list just goes on and on about how public health has helped in those ways. Public health even determines how your community was designed, how it was built, what parks are there that you can visit, having sidewalks so that you can take a stroll, bike paths so that you can go for a bike ride, having all of that available for use. Public health is also concerned with nutrition and having access to appropriate food sources and tools. Tools, the My Plate guide that's provided, that's great. It shows you that half of your plate should be, basically fruits and veggies, and only a quarter of it should be protein, and a quarter of it should be starch. That's something that's created from Public Health Works. Having access to, fresh fruits and fresh vegetables, and providing education about what a nutritious food source is and how to have a healthy and balanced diet. The education of, what it means to be overweight, what the body mass index is, where you fall in that to determine if you are average weight, overweight, or obese, and knowing what those effects are on your health in the long term if you are overweight or obese. Your risk for diabetes, your risk for heart disease, things like that. Um, Public health also includes access to healthcare and finding ways to make it to where people do have access to that healthcare so that everyone has an equal opportunity for being healthy. It's about having services available for new moms and new babies and appropriate prenatal care. It's about having access to different contraceptions and having education for how to limit the chance of getting an STD. It includes having access to appropriate health screenings and vaccinations and just really basic things. Also, public health promotes Medicare, Medicaid, and CHIP, which are all invaluable services that we need for sure in this country. Public health is really all about preventing the worst from happening, and it's through the use of studies and research and education to try and keep the public safe and healthy. The key to public health is, protection, prevention, and education. And public health really strives to prevent disease and injury from occurring and allowing for people to have a long and healthy life. Thanks.